Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to install an aftermarket trailer brake on your 2015 and up F150 if it didn't come that way from the factory. It's really easy because the mounting hole and wiring are already there for you to use. We're going to start by using a plastic trim tool or a flat dull scraper tool to lift up the little flat tray that's above your radio on top of the dashboard. Get it lifted up on the corner, get your tool in there, and pop it all the way open. Don't pull it up too far, just a little bit. Now you can reach two 7mm bolts that go down through each corner of this. Take those out and set them aside where you'll be able to keep an eye on them. Carefully grasp the top sides of your front trim panel and pull it slightly forward. That'll loosen it all the way down towards the bottom, but don't try and pull it out yet. Next, we need to make an adjustment to the center console trim panel on top. We don't need to get it all the way off. We just need to move it back about 1.5 inches or 2 inches. So we're going to open up the console armrest, and we're going to get a tool underneath the corners again, like I showed you before on the other thing, right where my thumb is, and we're going to lift up on each side. Lifting up carefully on each side. Work your way down. You'll have, like, I think 2 clips on each side, and then you'll be able to pull the whole trim panel backwards about 2 to 3 inches, which is all you need. That will give you enough room to move the bottom of the front control panel backwards about 1 inch or 2 as well. And that's what we need to be able to accomplish to get the center stack panel off where the brake controller mounts at. The next panel we're going to remove is the one that contains the air conditioning vent, the 4-wheel drive selector switch, and your reverse control switch if so equipped. Be careful not to pull it too far out because there's a wire on the back of both of these switches. You don't want to stretch the wiring too much. But start at the top and just gently rock it and pull it back and forth until it snaps off. And it'll snap off all the way down to the very bottom and come off in your hand. The harnesses that are attached to it, and set the whole piece aside. Now you have easy access to the little cubby hole with the filler blank where the brake controller is going to mount. Work it around a little bit. It's got some little tensioner clips in it, but it comes right out. Pull it out so the wire is exposed. Reach around back and pull the wire harness off of this dummy filler panel. Unwrap your new trailer brake switch and install it in reverse order. First, by attaching the wiring harness clip to the back of the new switch, and then slide the switch into the hole in the dashboard that it's meant to go into until it clicks into place. The up and down button should be on your right hand side, and that's all there is to installing it. Now let's put it back together. Put the vent panel cover plate and switch assembly back into place first, remembering to attach any wires back into the location they go on the back side of it. It snaps into place easily, just like it came out. Now it's important to make sure once you've got the cover snapped into place that you line up these white tabs on the center console trim panel on each side, because it's not going to press back into place and give you a nice snug fit unless those little tabs are lined up. Now it's time to reinstall the center stack trim panel. Start at the bottom by getting the holes on the bottom lined up, and then work your way up, pushing the pins in up as you go, and gently lift up on the top edge to fit it back up over the top of the trim plate. Reinstall the 2 screws that hold the top trim panel down and gently tap it down into place so it locks in, and you're done. Now you just got to program it. I'll show you that in another video, but thanks for watching. Have a great day, and bye for now.